Birdman. Starling whisperer. Here they come, you ready? Let's do this! Garden gates creak, welcome to the feathered zone. Feathered friends chirp, claiming thrones of their own. Robins trade secrets, jackdaws hold court. Starling symphonies, pigeons just report. Brass horns swell and the bass starts to strut. This groove's got ears wide open, never a shut. The Starling whisperer, maestro in the green, conducting morning choirs unseen but supreme.
Hands to the soil, planting harmony in there. Birds in a dance, wings flaring like they don't care. Sow seeds of melody, notes leaf through the trees. This is the Starling whisperer, conductor of the breeze.
Under sunrise glow, the council comes alive. Birds perching rows, their chatter's got the vibe. Morning sermons delivered in cools and calls. He bows to the murmuration with mutual applause.
Hands to the soil, planting harmony in the air. Birds in a dance, wings flaring like they don't care. Sow seeds of melody, notes leaf through the trees. This is the Starling whisperer, conductor of the breeze.
Brass punches sharp, bass line jumps on cue. Trumpets hit highs, rhythm painted all hues. He walks that pathway, crackstones bloom with cheer. Every bird follows the music, lifting hearts here.